Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to move a song to playlist in Spotify. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Spotify app. So here it is. Now we need to search for the song we want to add. Let's go for pop. Now I can search on this. Now when we choose the song we want, we can simply tap on these three dots in the right and now click on add to playlist. Now you can choose which playlist you want to add this on. Let's tap on live and it is added. So that's it. Now to add more songs, you can simply tap on this right again and click on add to playlist and choose live. So that's it. So this is all you need to do to add a song in playlist in Spotify. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.